Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 3.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Listen, read, repeat. Read, read. Read, reading. The boy is reading. The boy is reading. Who is reading? The boy is reading. The boys are reading. The boys are reading. Who is reading? The boys are reading. The girl is reading. The girl is reading. Who is reading? The girl is reading. The girls are reading. The girls are reading. Who is reading? The girls are reading. The woman is sitting and reading. The woman is sitting and reading. The woman is drinking and reading. The woman is drinking and reading. Who is drinking and reading? She is. She is drinking and reading. The women are reading. The women are reading. Who is reading? The women are reading. They are reading. They are reading. The man is reading. The man is reading. The men are reading. The men are reading. Who is reading? The men are reading. Who is reading? Who is reading? Who is reading? They are reading. Who is reading? They are reading. Who is reading? She is reading. She is reading. What is she reading? What? 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 She is reading a book. She is reading a book. What is she reading? What? She is reading a book. She is reading a book. A book. 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 Books. Books. What is he reading? What? 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 He is reading a newspaper. He is reading a newspaper. A newspaper. A newspaper. She is reading a newspaper. She is reading a newspaper. Is he reading? No, he is not reading. He is sleeping. The man is sleeping. Sleep, sleeping. She is sleeping. The girl is sleeping. She is sleeping. The girl is sleeping. He is sleeping. The boy is sleeping. He is sleeping. The boy is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Is the baby sleeping or reading a book? The baby is reading a book. The children are sleeping. The children are sleeping. Shh, quiet, please. Is he sleeping? No, he is not. Who is sleeping? The woman is sleeping. He is sleeping. Is he sleeping? Is he sleeping? Yes, he is. He is sleeping. He is not reading. Are they sleeping? Yes, they are. They are sleeping. Listen, repeat, read, find. The girl is sleeping. The girl is sleeping. The girl is sleeping. The woman is reading. The woman is reading. The woman is reading. The boy is sitting. He is not reading. The boy is sitting. He is not reading. The boy is sitting. He is not reading.
Hi, I am Max. I'm running.
The boy is walking. Oh no, he's running.
I am sleeping. I am reading. I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. I'm drinking. I'm drinking. I'm walking. I'm sitting.
Let's review. Let's review. Reading, sleeping. Who? What? Book. I am. She is. He is. They are. Snow. Baby. Newspaper. I am reading. I am sleeping. She is reading. He is not sleeping. They are reading books. Homework. Homework. If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com.
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 3. Hi, my name is Anna Mitkevich. I'm a professional English teacher with more than 20 years of experience. I also write children's books. And run a YouTube channel called Little Angel Reader. I'm a wife and mother of 2 talented children, Angelina and Max. They are both fluent in English. We live in Russia. Like and subscribe, please. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with Angel Reader, have some fun with Angel Reader.